Hi guys, what's up? I'm posting after 2 freaking years. My goodness, I'm not back, but I'm back with a video, and that's me looking fresh and happy. So I'm starting off with Vaseline, and I'm going to be putting a lot of it on my eyebrows to protect them. And it's a it's a ball cap. It's supposed to be a ball cap, but I'm guessing this is something for wigs. Although it says ball cap on the package. So yeah, that's just me struggling to put it on. This is my first time wearing something of this sort, by the way. And the aim is to get all of the hair tucked inside, so we do not have anything for the latex to rip off. That did happen though. In the end, I did find some latex on my hair and I had to just chop it off, just chop it off. Yeah, that's me singing. I love to listen to song when I'm doing my makeup looks. How have you been, by the way? I mean, it's been so long, so long. This feels surreal. All right, so that is set in place. We are ready. Starting off with liquid latex and just some sponge from 1 to 10 store. I'm putting some latex on my skin and then using tissue papers on it, and then we'll have one more layer of latex. So the idea is to put some latex on the skin, tissue on it, and then more latex on the tissue paper. But please do a patch test of the liquid latex on your hand before you use it on your face, because it might just cause irritation, rashes, God knows what. We don't want that. So yeah, this is the second layer of latex I'm going with, and that's me singing again. Oh my goodness. This doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going on to the other side of the face, and what we're doing here is we are creating fake skin, and it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be something that resembles skin. I am not going into the area where I have my actual hair on my forehead, because I don't want to chop off my hair. But then yes, we can put it on my eyebrows, because I have put a generous amount of Vaseline in the beginning, and not just on the eyebrows. I put Vaseline anywhere. I think I have growth, I have facial hair growth on my face. Oh god, I'm stammering. I'm just going to be removing the excess tissue paper with a cello tape. I'm just placing it on my eye, but make sure you don't attach it to your eyelashes. You won't be able to blink. Idea is to form an H. So on both the eyes and then one on the nose. You'll see what I'm talking about. Yeah, just make sure you don't put it on very tightly, so so that you are not able to blink. You should be able to blink. This is the way it looks right now. I'm putting one on my nose, and it's the same old format again. More tissue paper, more liquid latex. This is how it looks like right now, and I'm trying to get the slit for both the eyes as thin as possible. I don't think I've done a good job here, but please be very careful on this step, because you want to first move the mouth inside your mask before you go on to the step of creating the smile line, because you might just cut off your lips or God knows what. It would be a bloody massacre. And I don't want that. Just be very careful, or maybe skip the step at all. I don't know. Be very careful. I'm moving my face inside, so there's a space between the mouth and the mask. So I just have to be very careful here. I'm trying to get something that resembles a smile on my face, and this is tough. I am just taking some random drugstore. This is Maybelline though, this is not random. This is a Maybelline foundation, and I'm just going to be covering the entire mask with my foundation. I don't think this matches my skin tone very well, but then I bought it some time back and I had to use it. Taking an eyeshadow palette, taking a black eyeshadow and just making it look more horrible than it actually is. I'm gonna be coloring the inside of my eye, not the inside, but you get the idea, right? And then I'm just taking off something that resembles a darkish red, and on the corners. Yeah, there's no right or wrong in this step. This is fake blood, not the runny one. I'm sorry, I've forgotten the term. I'm just gonna be doing the same thing to both my eyes and my smile. It just looks so bloody. And yeah, inside the mouth as well. Oh, I love the wig. Oh my god. I hope you all enjoyed the video, guys. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about this look. I love the wig. I mean, I got it from Shein though. Everything will be posted down below in the description box. Have a great day. Bye. Thanks for watching.